Hello YouTube, I received this Honor Pro mechanical keyboard from banggood.com for review, and because I requested this because my keyboard on my laptop was getting more difficult to use each day. I just had to hammer on the keys sometimes. Anyhow, and since it's been a long time that I had a mechanical keyboard, I figured I'd try one out. And of course, being a huge fan of RGB LEDs, the so-called neopixels also, I figured why not go and get the Honor Pro. I choose this one because it has a wired connection via USB, and it has a Bluetooth connection, and you can assign up to 4 Bluetooth devices, phone, tablet, whatever, and you can choose in between them by just a key press. Anyhow, this is the keyboard. I picked it up in white, and they also come in orange, black and yellow. And the switches are, you have the choice of blue switch, brown switch and the red switch. I did pick the brown switch because I figured it will give me the best bang for the buck. Anyhow, but they are, of course, since it's a mechanical keyboard, a little on the loud side, as you can hear right now. My typing is not the best, so excuse that, but after I bought the keyboard, or after I got the keyboard, it was supplied for free from Banggood. Thank you, Banggood. I found out that you can put rubber O-rings underneath the key and it will dampen the sound. Those are for something else and they're quite thin. So I use 2 of them on one key, and I want to show you the difference. You can hear it very clearly. It's not without sound, but it's definitely less obvious. I did order some especially for keyboards or for the switches, and they are thicker in diameter, and we'll see how they turn out. I will make a video once I get them. And to change the keys or add those, you can just use a keycap puller, pull up straight, and off comes the key. And you could just put the O-rings on here and then put the key back down. Anyhow, with this keyboard you have a Bluetooth app that you can use, and if you're running Windows 10, there's also a Windows app, and you can customize the color to whatever you like. I did do the following, and since it doesn't have dedicated arrow keys, I did make the function key and the A, S, D and W key in a lighter green. The rest is orange, pink and blue. And let me show you the keyboard also. Actually, also want to say it came in this box, and this is actually your manual. You can also download the manual from the website, from Orbins, and I will put the link in the description. And it came in this box with a foam padding and flat micro USB cable, and the box itself was also wrapped nicely in foam, and it was packaged real nice, and as you see, there's not a blemish on the box, so it made it home to me in one piece and without any damage. So that was good. This is the cable. It's really long. I put it on the back there. So this is the keyboard. It is kinda heavy, but it's not like you're gonna carry this in your purse. And it has a reset switch here. It has sticky feet, silicone feet that hold it on the table real good without it sliding around. As you can see, I cannot move it. And it's very sturdy, and I like the design. It's simple, clean, no fuss. This is your micro USB port. It is always on. You can turn off the LEDs, but I have it plugged in my laptop, and it's been running since I got it. It's been, I think, 10 days. I wanted to make the video much sooner, but I didn't get to it. What else can I tell you about it? You can, like I said, order 3 different switches and different colors, and also the black version has the black keys, and the blue, white and yellow case version have the white keys. And since I wanted the LEDs to shine through real nice, I did pick the white one, and it goes with my laptop. Anyhow, there are some real professional tests out there that measure the actual noise the keyboard makes and everything, and slight delay you have with the Bluetooth if you choose to use that. But for me, I just plug it in and use it like that. I don't need it for my phone. My tablet is too old to work. I can actually really recommend this, and it's got many great reviews from people that know their keyboards, that do nothing but keyboard reviews. And actually this thing has a hidden feature. I just thought of that, just came to my mind. It has a music visualizer function. I cannot show it to you because I'm recording it with my phone. Anyway, if you go to the settings, if you go to the app and to the settings, and if you click the, what was it, the settings, let me turn this real quick on. If you it turns off when it's unplugged to save battery. If it's plugged in, it stays on all the time. If you click the settings 10 times, a list shows up on your phone with your music on it, and if you click any song on it, it starts a visualizer app, and it's real nice. I tried it one time and I ended up watching the keyboard for 2 hours and listening to music. So since I don't get much time to listen to music, it was a perfect opportunity. That is a kind of hidden feature. I only saw it in one video. That's where I got it from, and I put the link to that video also in the description, along with the Banggood coupon that you will get courtesy of Banggood, so you can save some money. Right now it's on sale for $71.99 US till April 4th. That's what my Banggood page tells me. I did also order this keycap puller. It comes with a plastic one, but I wanted this one. Anyhow, those cost like, I think, $240 or something like that, but you can find them anywhere also. And other than that, I might customize some keycaps, but I kinda don't want to change the font because I like the font. Some people say it's too futuristic, but I like it. The only difficult one is the 0. It looks like two, how you call those signs? I forgot, like the sign on the back after the 9 and after the 0. And in Deutsch, in German we call it Klammer auf, Klammer zu, and the 0 looks like a Klammer auf, Klammer zu. But apart from that, Every key is really labeled nicely. You have the function key. You can turn on and off your RGB lights. You can that was the speed of the animation, and you can control the brightness, and you can control the animations without the app from the keyboard itself. And with the app you have like endless possibilities as to whatever color you want to make. I did notice when I had it connected to my phone and then disconnected and connect again that the colors got inverted, and there's an easy fix for that. You just hit function and the 4 keys RTYU at the same time, and it resets the colors. So that will fix your color problem if the colors got inverted somehow. I guess it's a small software bug or firmware bug. There are new firmwares coming out for this. I have not tried them yet. Anyhow, you can also change the layout of the keys. If you have a like German keyboard or any other language, you can change that. But then you have to either relabel the keys or change them out or remember what you put on there. So, but I'm okay with it right now. Anything else? Thinking I'm doing these videos without a script because I just don't have the time to sit and write a script, and then I don't have a way to read from it anyhow. So I talk as I remember what I wanted to say. I think this is it. If I have anything else, I will make a second or third video and will show you. Maybe I record the video with my wife's camera or use the visualizer app on my wife's phone and show the visualizer because it's really nice. Anyhow, this was it for now. Thanks for watching, and thank you Banggood for supplying me these great products for review. And thanks for watching. Take care everybody.